Okay, he's on his way now.
Good. And what's the problem exactly?
Okay, so the problem is, this is the lock here. We're going to be blasting through that one.
Do they have an outlet?
It's on the far wall in there.
Okay.
So it's going to be like about 30 feet, I think, cable. But you can give me a tutorial.
Yeah, I'll let you do it. The worst you can do is like seriously cut yourself.
Let's go plug this bad boy in.
And then, yeah, just very firm grip because if it does kick a little bit, like you might strain or like slip and cut your fingers off. So just yeah, hold it real tight. Worth asking, I guess.
Let's look at this tight work here. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That's good.
I was smoking.
Not bad, eh?
Dude, sweet.